In this video, you'll learn how to sell cryptocurrency using the OKX Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully convert your crypto into cash through the OKX platform. Begin by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the option labeled Wallet or Web3 Wallet and tap on it. This will take you to your wallet overview where you can see all your holdings. Next, identify the specific coin you wish to sell, such as USDT, Ether2. Tap on the selected coin to proceed. This action will display relevant details about your chosen cryptocurrency. To swap your selected coin for USDT, locate the swap button and tap on it. In the From field, choose the cryptocurrency you are selling. In the To field, select USDT as the target currency. After making these selections, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert. Once you have entered the amount, tap on Confirm Swap. You will need to approve the transaction, which may take a brief moment. Be prepared to wait for about 5 to 20 seconds for the transaction to process. After this period, your cryptocurrency will be successfully converted into USDT within your wallet. Now that you have USDT, return to the main screen of the OKX app. From there, open the trade section and select P2P. In this area, find the option to sell USDT. This will guide you through the selling process. After selecting to sell USDT, you will need to choose your preferred payment method. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell, then select a buyer from the available options. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive the payment. Finally, tap on Release Crypto to confirm the transfer of your USDT to the buyer. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.